Hey sanibonani bafowethu. Njani niyaphila? Asethembe niyaphila. Mfoka Mkhonzo nibingelelayo. Thank you so much for being here supporting this channel. I thank you. Ngiyanibonga nonke nina eningama subscribers to this channel la ku YouTube. Kanjalo nani ningama followers for this channel lapha ku TikTok. Ngithi thank you so much guys for supporting this channel. Bese ngicela nabo bonke abangama viewers ama video engiwa-uploada la ukuthi if bengaka subscribe ngicela ba subscribe because it's free, it won't charge you anything, it's free of charge. Ngiyacela nenze kanjalo na TikTok, it's free of charge. Ngiyabonga. Excuse me, ngikhuluma nge-MK Party namhlanje. Bengilalele interview nje laphiyana uchairperson noma usihlalo we-MK Party ubaba uNhleko elapha kwi-podcast kaSizwe Blosa lapha akhulume khona ngezinto eziningi ezithinta i-MK Party nezinhlelo ze-MK Party njengoba kubhekwe kuma-elections. Echaza nje nayo yonke indlela i-MK Party ehleleke ngayo ngokwama-structures. Njengoba kunabantu abaningi abanokusola ukuthi i-MK Party ayikho stable, ayihlelekile ngoba ixosha abantu mihla namalanga. So bese bethi ke abantu ngaleyo ndlela it shows ukuthi ayikho stable, yenza nje umathanda wayo, ayinandaba nabantu base-South Africa. So kabe phendula imibuzo efana naleyo ukuthi kusho ukuthini uma abantu becabanga kanje. Ingaba ngabaphendula kanjani abantu abanembono ukuthi MK Party ifana nje nawo wonke ama-organization akhona noma nawo wonke ama-political party akhona. Kuningi nje akukhulumeni, kodwa mina ngifuna ukuba specific kule video. Ngifisa ukukhuluma ngakukhulume nge-March and March. Njoba ngeke ngasho kuma video yami noma kwi video yami enye ngachaza la ukuthi njoba sibheke okhethweni ngizokhuluma kakhulu ngezinto ezenzeka kakhulu emphakathini nezinto ezithinta kakhulu ama-South Africans njengamanje, nezindaba noma indaba ezitrendayo njengamanje eSouth Africa. Uma ke ngikhuluma ngendaba ezitrendayo eSouth Africa nezinto ezi-interesta abantu abaningi eSouth Africa njengamanje, ngeke ngishiye ngaphandle i-March and March. Mina ngokwami ihamba phambili, especially udabeni oluthinta ama-illegal immigrants. Uma ke ngikhuluma ngobaba uNhleko, uchair we-MK Party, ngizophawula la ukuthi ubaba uNhleko ukhulume ipoint elibalekile nge-March and March. Uma ethi ukholelwa ukuthi i-March and March ngokombono wakhe akufanele ukuthi izimbandakanye vele nepolitiki, njengoba nje isho nayo i-March and March ukuthi ayikho interested ekutheni ibe yi-political party, ifuna ukuhlala ingaphesheya, izokhona ukuthi iphoqe abaku government ukuthi ba-account noma baphendule emibuzweni eminingi ebuzwa ngabantu base-South Africa abayivotela. So ke uma usihlalo ethi i-March and March yenza kahle kakhulu uma ingabi i-political party noma ingazibandakanya ipolitiki, ukhuluma into ehlakaniphile kakhulu mina nengi-interestayo. Because awu-imagine i-MK Party noma i-March and March uma ingaba yi-political party nayo seyifuna ukuvotelwa, seyifuna ukungena eParliament, ubani manje ozokhona ukuthi abe ne-freeness of speech ku-March and March ukuthi akhulume openly ngezinto ezithinta ama-ordinary South Africans? I-March and March kahle kakhulu as a civic organization, inhlangano yomphakathi, because as a civic organization wonke umuntu noma obuya kuliphi iqembu lezepolitiki angakhona ukuba part of i-March and March because i-accommodate wonke umuntu. Uzobona ama-leader e-March and March ezimbandakanya nama-event e-MK Party, uyibona izimbandakanya nama-event e-Action SA, mhlampe nawe IFP uma ngabe kuwukuthi lapho kunama-interest abantu base South Africa. So akusiyo iparty ekhethayo ukuthi noma akusiyo organization ekhethayo ukuthi ihamba nayiphi iparty, cha. Iyakhona ukuba part of ama-events e-political party uma ikhuluma i-language ekhulunywa i-March and March. So ubaba uNhleko uma ethi i-March and March ayihlale la ikhona, kuyakhombisa ukuthi is a leader, uya-understand ukuthi if kuwukuthi i-March and March abantu abaningi ba-South Africa bayayiseka, that means ukuthi abantu abaningi kuhlanganise nabangebona ama-member e-MK Party yilokho okukhulunywa i-March and March abavumelana ngako. Therefore nabo be-MK Party kufanele ukuthi bayisupport i-March and March. Uzowakhuluma nangako ukuthi uma ngabe uyimember ye-MK Party, uyiphathi ye-March and March kuma-event e-March and March, leyo nto leyo there is nothing wrong lapho, because nawe uyimember ye-community. I-March and March imele i-community, is a civic organization. Therefore in short begcizelela nje indaba yokuthi i-MK Party nangoba isaseyingxoxweni ezithile ne-March and March, isazama uku-understand izinto ezithile nge-March and March, kodwa kuloko abakubonayo nekukhulumayo emphakathini nekwenzayo i-March and March emphakathini, bona beyi-MK Party or as leaders e-MK Party bayayisupport izinto abazizwa zikhulunywa i-March and March nezikhulunywa. So therefore akekho umuntu we-MK Party ongagxekwa uma e-part of i-March and March. Ngiyajabula kakhulu uma ngimuzwa ekhuluma izinto ezifana nalezi, ngoba vele bengivele ngiworried, ngikhathazekile ngokuthi i-MK Party kahle kahle odabeni lwe-March and March nasodabeni lwama illegal immigrants ime kuphi. So uma sizozwa ama-leader wethu kwe-MK Party ezokhuluma openly ngodaba oluthinta i-March and March, openly ngodaba oluthinta ama-illegal immigrants, therefore kulula kakhulu ukuthi onke ama-supporters e-MK Party abe part of lento eyenziwa i-March and March, because izinto ezisikhathazayo singabantu aba-support i-MK Party nama-member society at large. So yiloko nje bengithi ngizoveza nje kule video ukuthi uma lokhu sibona abaholi bethu ku-MK Party belokhu beqhubeke njalo bekhuluma ngodaba lwe-March and March, bekhuluma ngodaba lwama-illegal immigrants, kwenza izinto zibe lula nakithi njengama-member MK Party ukuthi siyisupporte wholeheartedly. Sikholelwa ukuthi MK Party imelele thina ngoba iningi labantu liyayisupport i-March and March. So uma ngabe uzoba i-political party uphikisane noma ukhulume against noma ungavezi ukuthi umephi odabeni oluthinta i-March and March nama-illegal immigrants, therefore sizoba nenkinga nawe, because sizokubuka njengomuntu ome kwi-fence ongacaci ukuthi ungapha kwamakhelwane noma ungapha lapho sikhona. So therefore kufanele ukuthi MK Party iphumele obala. Ngiyajabula kakhulu mangizo-chair noma sihlalo MK Party ephumele obala ngodaba lwe-March and March, njengoba naphambilini evikini elidlule u-SG usibonelo Nomvalo ephumele obala naye ngodaba lwama-illegal immigrants. Nobaba uMsholozi kancane kancane siyamuzwa futhi ekhuluma ngayo indaba yama-illegal immigrants and all that. So i-MK Party kafishane kancane kancane iyazibonakalisa ukuthi imephi ngodaba lwe-March and March. So kuyangijabulisa lokho, kuzosenza ukuthi nathi masikhuluma la nge-March and March sikhuluma nange-MK Party kube lula, ngoba sikholelwa ukuthi njengoba sibheke ukhethweni nge-4 November kufanele abantu ba-South Africa babe be-clear ukuthi kufanele bavote kanjani njengoba sibheke ukhethweni. And amaphathi ukuthi akhuluma izinto ezithinta abantu ba-South Africa manje awakwenze even after elections lokho akukhulumayo, angagcini ngokukhuluma kuphela ngoba efuna amavoti. Thina nje sila ke-MK Party ngoba sikholelwa ukuthi lezi zinto ezikhulumayo i-MK Party yizona ezosenza uma isingenile nasemandleni. So ke yiloko nje bengithanga ngiveze ukuthi siyabonga abaholi be-MK Party. Uma ngabe i-national leadership ye-MK Party iziveza ibasobala ukuthi imephi odabeni lwe-March and March, bayanda ke manje abaholi be-MK Party abaphezulu. Njengoba sengishilo no-SG ukhulumile, ubaba uMsholozi ukhulumile, nangu nobaba uChair uNhleko naye uyakhuluma manje ngodaba lwe-March and March namayele. So kuhle kakhulu lokho, kuyasikhuthaza njengamamembe e-MK Party. Angazi ungaphawula uthini wena ngalokho. Mhlampe ngizofaka nje ama-clip ambalwa la ezinto ayikhulumile kuleya podcast kaSizwe Blos, uyizwele izinto mhlampe ayiphawulile mhlampe nokunye nemibuzo bebuzwana. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, kuyasihlangana kuma-comments. Qhubeka nisupporta lesi channel. Ngiyanicela ngokukhethekile, subscribe, it's free of charge. Please press subscribe la, it's free of charge. Press follow, it's free of charge. Ngeke kukhoste lutho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah, okay, sikhulume ngamandaba yama-elections bekuphuma ama-results aphuma ethi MK.
Oh, so like KZN, yes.
Especially
Yeah.
KZN.
Okay.
Idlule abantu kahle abantu babelindele ukuthi MK
Kube yona
ezolida ugovernment.
No, babeqinisile abantu bakithi. Ngophela imajority yabantu bakulesi sifundazwe bakhetha iMK 45%. Right. That's quite a
high 50 plus.
Yeah, no, 45%. That was quite a number. Kodwa